What's going on, guys? I'm back on this sunny winter morning, well, afternoon here in California, and about to do some work on the Fiesta. So what we're doing today is going to be replacing the rear brakes, the rotors and the brake pads, as well as the wheel studs while we're down there. So that's what we're doing today with the Fiesta. Before that, though, gotta clean up this mess because I have been busy with detailing, which is great, but also pretty ridiculous. Like 8 o'clock nights sometimes. Yesterday was like 4:30. Just full details, but making good money. So ramping the business up, making good money, but get to the point where I just get unorganized a bit. So gonna get this shit organized first and then get on to the installs. Okay, so got it all organized. Here it is. I pretty much just wanted my detailing stuff organized for now. This can all come later because I'm still dealing with tools and stuff from other jobs that I need to organize and make sure I have the right tools for the videos. So anyways, let's get into this one because I've been waiting to put these on for a little bit. As you guys know, I talked about it in a couple of my videos. So let's get the rotors on, the caliper, the pads into the calipers, I guess, and also the extended wheel studs on the rears. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so as you can see, got the wheel off, the rotor off, caliper off, and about to smack out the wheel studs. But before I do that, I just want to talk about what's been going on and why I've been so busy. So as of right now, the last video I put out was the F-150 tie rod and the steering tie rod end, and that in the wheel hub. So I'm working on another video right now. I'm editing it, and that is going to be another vlog. So that's starting tonight, and yeah, we'll go from there. Pretty much vlogs for the most part, and then a bunch of Fiesta work. So the F-150 stuff is pretty much finished now, which I'm kind of happy about, to be honest, because it's, there's a couple things that a lot of people search for the F-150, but it's not going to get me anywhere. So I digress, as usual. I just go on rambling. But yeah, so doing the rotors now, the EBC rotors and the pads, the yellow stuff pads, and the wheel studs. And then after that, I'm pretty much just going to be finishing the video for the night, and yeah, going from there. Going to the gym and getting some rest. But the reason I've been so busy is primarily because of detailing. That's been ramping up quite a bit, which is amazing. But man, it's something trying to do that and edit videos. I've been trying to get the video editing worked around my schedule now, as well as going to the gym every day, unless I'm getting done with detailing around like 8 or 9, then I just kind of take the night off. But just working out, working out, detailing, video editing, and getting the car ready. So, as I'm doing right now, just doing this stuff, did the end links, and haven't really been didn't really wash it. doing the end links. But yeah, so I got a couple other things coming up too that, I mean, if I have put it out already, then you guys have seen it. If I haven't, then just stay tuned, because there's big performance things I'm doing, at least handling wise, for the Fiesta. So I posted on my story kind of like a little teaser. You can guess what it is. But this season's going to be interesting. And by interesting, I mean I am going to push this car harder than I ever have. And there's going to be more tools that I'll have available to be able to push the car more than I ever have. So I am absolutely stoked for this upcoming season, which is starting next weekend. Not this upcoming weekend, but the following weekend. The 19th, I want to say. And I am beyond excited for that season to start. And there's a lot, like every weekend from next weekend on, for the most part, or at least every other weekend, is going to be an autocross weekend. Not including the track days and other things I have planned for this year. So stay tuned, because there's going to be a lot coming up, mostly racing, but I mean that's what we're here for, right? Me, the Fiesta, and the racing, and just seeing all the cool things you can do in autocross and the racing world. But yeah, so I'm just stoked. But that's why I've been busy. I'm trying to get videos out at least twice a week, so like every 3 or 4 days. But yeah, I mean I'm starting to get in the groove and doing that. But that's basically what I wanted to let you guys know, is that's why I've been busy. And yeah, here we are doing the rotors and pads finally. So I'm gonna knock out the wheel studs and I'll get back to you in a little bit. All right, so man, that's bright as hell. All right, I'll turn that on to whatever. All right, so got the wheel studs on, got the rotors and the brake pads on. So let's check them out. Boom, look at those. Same ones, the USR slotted rotors like I have in the front. Obviously the yellow stuffs. And yeah, gonna have to just drive casually, or casually enough, for the next, like, I think 300. So because they have that little bed-in paste on them, or whatever it is. And yeah, so take it easy for a little bit and should be good. So I'm gonna finish up the other side and yeah, talk to you guys in a minute. All right, so I'm done with the car. As you can see, it's down from the jack stands. The new wheel lugs are on every tire now, or every wheel, and looking schmecksy. And yeah, so new brake pads in the rear. So because the EBC yellow stuffs, if you never got or used EBC's brake pads, sorry, they have this bed-in like compound, and it's like a whole procedure. So basically, like the first 50 miles, just very easy. Like you're not gonna want to brake hard at all, and then after that, just urban driving, normal braking, no hard racing braking or anything. It'll give it time for the coating to, there you go, coating to basically coat the rotor surface and be able to bed in a lot better than most other pads, I guess. I'm not sure about the whole thing about how it works, but so the instructions say, and from what I've experienced with the fronts, it works out. So I mean, I'm going to Nevada, so either way I'm not going to be ripping around the canyons these upcoming days. So just going to be chilling out there and putting some good miles on the brake pads, letting them bed in, so before next weekend. Let's see, I think they want once you hit 200 miles with the brake pads on and you're just been casually braking and driving around, say urban environments, but I'll just say 200 miles, then you want to do the final bed-in process, which is like a 60 to 20 slow down 5 times, and then you're good to go. And yeah, so whenever that time comes, I'll probably make a video doing it. Maybe not, I don't know, it's not that big a deal. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, feel free to like it, leave your comments in the comment section below, and subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. I still don't know why, but all this cool content's coming up. You might as well subscribe right now and ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever that cool content comes up. Anyways, guys, hope you guys have a good one. That was weird. hope you guys have a good one, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.